Ever felt like you're trying to build a sandcastle during a hurricane? You've got your plan, your tools, your vision, but the waves just keep crashing in, changing everything. That's project management for you, right? Especially when you're juggling deadlines, team members, and the ever-shifting sands of client expectations. And when it comes to tools, you've probably heard of Asana. It's everywhere. But here's the burning question that's probably kept you up at night. Is Asana Agile? Or is it waterfall? Or is it something else entirely? We're not just talking about project management buzzwords here. We're talking about the fundamental way you get things done. The difference between a smooth, adaptable workflow and a chaotic, reactive mess. You've probably seen those sleek Asana demos, the colorful boards, the task assignments, the progress bars. It looks clean, organized, almost perfect. But can it truly handle the dynamic nature of Agile? Or is it secretly a waterfall wolf in sheep's clothing? Let's break it down. You know the drill. Waterfall is that linear, sequential approach. You plan everything up front, execute, test, and deliver. It's like building a bridge. You can't lay the road before you've built the supports. Agile, on the other hand, is iterative and flexible. You work in short sprints, adapt to changes, and deliver value incrementally. Think of it as building a modular home, where you can add rooms and adjust the layout as needed. Now, Asana. It's a task management powerhouse. You can create projects, assign tasks, set deadlines, and track progress. But that doesn't inherently make it agile or waterfall. The truth is, Asana is a tool. It's a blank canvas. And like any blank canvas, what you paint on it is entirely up to you. You can use Asana to meticulously plan every single task, dependency, and milestone, creating a rigid structure that screams waterfall. You can define every single phase of your project, link tasks in a linear sequence, and track progress against a fixed timeline. This approach leverages Asana's powerful planning and tracking features to enforce a sequential flow. But you can also use Asana to create dynamic, iterative workflows. You can break down your projects into smaller, manageable sprints, use boards to visualize your workflow, and track progress in real time. You can use custom fields to track sprint goals, velocity, and other Agile metrics. You can use Asana's integrations to connect with other Agile tools, like Jira or Slack. So, is Asana Agile? The short answer is, it can be. It's Agile capable. It's not inherently Agile, but it provides the flexibility and features to support Agile methodologies. But here's the kicker. It's also waterfall capable. And that's where things get interesting. The real question isn't whether Asana is Agile or waterfall, but how you use it. Are you using it to lock down every detail and enforce a rigid plan? Or are you using it to facilitate collaboration, adapt to change, and deliver value incrementally? Let's talk about the specific features that make Asana adaptable. First, the boards. They're incredibly flexible. You can use them to create Kanban boards, sprint boards, or any other type of workflow visualization you need. You can customize the columns, cards, and labels to match your specific process. Second, the custom fields. They allow you to track any data you need, whether it's sprint points, story points, priority levels, or anything else. You can use them to create custom reports and dashboards, giving you real-time insights into your progress. Third, the integrations. Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, including Jira, Slack, GitHub, and many more. This allows you to seamlessly connect your workflows and streamline your processes. Fourth, the automation. Asana's rules and automation features allow you to automate repetitive tasks, freeing up your team to focus on more important work. You can automatically assign tasks, update statuses, and send notifications based on specific triggers. Now, let's address some common misconceptions. Some people think that Asana's Gantt charts make it inherently waterfall. But Gantt charts are just another visualization tool. You can use them in Agile projects to track dependencies and milestones. Others think that Asana's focus on task management makes it unsuitable for Agile. But Agile is all about breaking down work into smaller, manageable tasks. Asana excels at this. The key is to understand your team's needs and choose the right approach. If you're working on a project with well-defined requirements and minimal changes, a waterfall approach might be suitable. If you're working on a project with evolving requirements and a need for flexibility, an agile approach is likely better. And Asana can support both. But here's the crucial takeaway. Asana is a tool. It's not a methodology. It's not going to magically transform your team into an agile powerhouse or enforce a rigid waterfall process. The success of your project depends on your team's understanding of agile or waterfall principles, your ability to adapt the tool to your needs, and your commitment to continuous improvement. Think of it like a kitchen. You can have the best knives, pots, and pans, but if you don't know how to cook, you're not going to create a masterpiece. Asana is your kitchen. It provides the tools you need to manage your projects effectively. But you need to know how to use those tools to create something amazing. So, the next time you're wondering whether Asana is agile or waterfall, remember that the answer is, it's both and it's neither. It's a powerful tool that can be adapted to your specific needs. It's up to you to decide how to use it. Don't get caught up in the labels. Don't get bogged down in the buzzwords. Focus on what works for your team. Focus on delivering value. Focus on using Asana to streamline your workflows, improve collaboration, and achieve your goals. Ultimately, the best approach is the one that works for you. Experiment, iterate, and adapt. Find the sweet spot between structure and flexibility. And remember that the tool is just a means to an end. It's your vision, your team, and your commitment that will ultimately determine your success. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.